What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are getting into an IAA walk around. And today I am out here with my Sony camera. We'll see how it works. Oh, I bet I just came into the light, huh? Let me know what you guys think about the quality here at the end of the video if you liked it. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome on in today. I think the last time we got into a bunch of trucks, and today we're going to look at some different interesting cars. We may look at a few trucks too, but try to keep this camera stable being I'm having the hand holder today. Ooh, look at this Jaguar, that's pretty. Damn, that's pretty. Oof. It's a Toro car, which means it's probably bad as hell. I can see the damage here in the front where they went up over something, so I bet you she has some undercarriage damage. It is a Type R. It's an F Type, which we already knew. Damn. She's clean, man. Outside of that damage in the front, it's got to have undercarriage damage then. It absolutely has to. Let me see. Runs and starts. Nope, it doesn't. Oh, damn. She's got power. They say it's a non-runner. We'll check that in a minute. Gosh, she's super clean, man. Oh. Let me turn her on her MMI and see if it's got oil in it. And turn this off. Low battery. Please switch engine on or system will shut down in 3 minutes. Yeah, it says it's got oil. All right. Ooh, she runs. No errors, no check codes. Brakes are here. Let's go into gear. Goes into gear. Goes in reverse. Everything works. Why the hell did they have this thing? Well, hey, I'm not going to complain. If they're going to have it listed like that, that's a win for me. This is one of my favorite things about Jaguars. This is like just like a little finesse thing. It's like, look at this. It's just such a satisfying little funk, and then it just falls open nice and easy. Wow. Yeah, she's got fluids and everything. She's fine. So literally that little bit of cosmetic damage in the front totaled this car, as far as they are concerned. So it must have a flat too. I see the icon. God, she sounds good. Low battery, please start engine. I mean, I just ran it. Maybe it's got an electrical issue. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, balls. I would love one of these cars. I would hate to have to get in and out of it every day. Yes, this does open backwards, by the way. I've had the different, like this is the F Type. They had the XJR, I believe, was like a generation, 2 generations before this. But yeah, she's clean, man. And I don't really see, oh wow, I just about busted my ass. I don't really see anything up top looking from here that is concerning. You know what I'm saying? I guess we'll get down and look under here and see how bad it is. Put this down nice. Wow, that's a very light hood. I wonder if that's fiberglass. It might be. Might be fiberglass or plastic. They got the headlights tinted. I see that. All right, I'll get you guys down here. And you guys, I'll look at this in post and you guys can tell me what you guys see down here. That tire is flat. And she might have some suspension damage right there, but I don't know. I'm going to add that to my watch list because that could be a steal, especially when they have it listed as a non-runner. Hello. Hello. You already know. You guys already know what kind of time I'm on. All right, let's get on to the next one. Now, I know. TK, don't do it. I actually like these. This is a... Okay, I thought this was another Turo car. So now this is a cheater car. All right, this is what happens when you step out. Something happens. And I don't know if you can read what it says on the side there, but I'm going to translate that for you. That shit says, what's my favorite word? Bitch! Oh, all right. Well, you can see that. They carved the word bitch into the side of the car. They scratched all on the hood. That sucks. Oh, well, wait a minute. Is the interior burned? Yo. They did not light their car on fire. All right, and on this side, for $600, I saw this Jeopardy thing this week. Name an immoral person who may be doing things just for pleasure. What is a hoe? H-O-E on this side. I'm going to be honest with you fellas. If a chick steps out on you and smashes somebody else and you do this, I mean, even though it is an SXT, and you do this to your car, you're kind of exactly what you carved into this car. You're kind of a hoe. You're kind of a whole bitch. I'm just saying. Like, this is stuff that we expect females to do, guys. We're not supposed to do this. Whew, god damn. Yeah. But you know what's funny? Is this interior could be tore out. You know, you have to do the dash and everything, but if it runs, and they haven't tried to start it because of the fire, if there's no, I mean, it is an SXT though. What are you saving an SXT for? I get it. Just God. Whew. Smell like barbecue in that bitch. Next up in the I Can't Handle a 392 awards, we have a Scat Pack 392 that has had an unfortunate incident with I'm gonna guess a concrete barrier or a pole. Looks like it pushed all that in on this side. The wheel's all busted. It does have the SRT calipers, which I find interesting. It is an 18, so it should not be an SRT unless they just had their calipers painted that way, and it's looking that way. Here we go. Oh, yay! Neutral strip. Oh, look at the bat. What the hell? Look at this shit. All right. That sucks. Hate that about those Scat Packs. Like, it's open. It shouldn't be going off with an alarm, but it's all jacked up, so it is what it is. Oh, lesson learned. What was I with that bat with the barbed wire on it, though? That was interesting. How about a classic BMW? You guys know I have such an affinity for the E38, but I'm wondering what's going on right here. Almost like, and it's a non-runner, 233,000 miles. I mean, I like the wheels. A lot of the body panels look okay. It still has the phone, the BMW phone in the console. Yeah. That window regulator is done, I'm sure. Hence all the things trying to keep the window up. Yeah, it's not terrible. It could be a good little project, but you're probably definitely going to swap a motor in it. I'm going to pop this hood, and I'm not looking forward to what I'm going to see here with those dents in that hood. We'll see if we can get her open. Whew. And of course, there it is. Let me find out the little tab is missing. Oh, wait a minute. The engine doesn't look bad. It looks very clean under here. Very similar to my old E38. We should have that paint job and that restoration done on that car here very soon too, guys. Yeah, for you guys that have been waiting for that to come back. I don't know what caused that damage though. Huh. I'm gonna add this one to my watch list. I am. Even though it's listed as a non-runner. Jesus Christ. Hashtag BMW problems. She is pretty though. Damn pretty. Alright guys, last but not least, we have one of these old Jeep Cherokees out here. Man, these things are getting harder and harder to come by, and they're so easy to mod and upgrade and do different things to that it's crazy not to pick one of these up when you see them, even if they're non-runners. You know, you can find a 4.0 to throw in it or upgrade it, you know, put an LS in the damn thing. All right, so she took a little bit of a hit, I'm guessing, by the way that that's looking and the way that's looking. And it is my favorite company, Pedal. Oh, all right. Let's take a look at the inside. So, she actually, woof. Oh, man, you see all that shit come flying out when I opened it? Oh, man. We'll see if she has any power. Oh, God, what is that? Oh. Oh. God. Oh, my God. Okay. Negative. That's disgusting. Oh. I think there's like, oof. I don't know if y'all can see that. Ugh. Like somebody shaved their pubic hair. Oof. Oof. Hell no. Hell no. Oh. Okay. On to the next one. Oh. Oh boy. You know, that really sucks. I really do get tired of that sometimes. When you're like, oh, it's cool, and then you... Ugh. Oh, I wonder what's up with this old E-Class over here. I do see that little Chrysler over there, too. I want to know if it has the Knight Rider shit in it where it talks to you. Mirror Star, huh? Hood ornaments missing, a couple little scratches and dings. This one took it up the ass, huh? Oh yeah, right up the ass. Trunk lid. That rear quarter looks okay. You need to pull that trunk pan out. You have to hook it and pull it. Did this side buckle at all? Nope. So you're looking at tail lights, pulling this pan and stuff out from the trunk. And then it's never going to be as strong. I mean, unless you do it the right way. And I don't know many people that are going to do that with something like this. Replace the trunk lid, tail lights, pull that out. I mean, it all depends on what you could get the car for. It could be a decent deal if you had the parts sitting around. But as clean as the rest of this car looks, I'm going to assume the interior is just as clean. It is. Very clean interior car. Oh, balls. Oh. Yeah, she looks clean. Put the keys in, shall we? Oh, is it dead? Hold on. Yeah, it's dead. Well, it's very clean on the interior. Huh. Look at this too. Someone left their AirPod case in here. Interesting. Got some nuts and stuff in there. That's not encouraging to see wires and stuff hanging out of the glove box. No. Well, Interesting. Definitely interesting. Well, let's go look at this Chrysler. Alrighty, guys. How about a Chrysler New Yorker? I was gonna say LeBaron, but this is the big boy. This is the New Yorker, huh? God, it's in pretty good shape too. No damage that I can see on this side. All right. Even the top and stuff looks good. Wow. Probably some old person's car. It was garage crypt. You know. Wow. Yeah, really, man. I mean, outside of this little dent right here, there's no damage on this car anywhere. Oh, it smells like cigarettes, though. Oh, that'd be why. I see all the cigarette butts in the ashtray now. A little cigarette burn right here. But God, these seats, they don't make seats like this in cars anymore, guys. God, I wish they did, man. I wish they did. All right, squeeze my little ass in here. You know that was a lie. They didn't nothing little about my ass. All right, we got keys here for days. Glove box does close. Let's close that ashtray. That'd be nice. Nobody wants to see that shit. Nice little storage compartment. Uh-oh. What'd I do? Did I? We're just going to leave it alone. I'm going to end up breaking it. Oh, there it goes. Not a thing. But it's cool because it has, like, I mean, it does smell like cigarettes. It'd probably be a bitch to get that smell out, but who knows? Those don't open anymore. Huh. I would love one of these old little Chryslers like this, man. I know you're going to say, TK, they were pieces of shit. I know. Still cool, man. I would just like to have different stuff, you know? Have like a little beater that you can run around, but this is really not a beater. This is a nice little car. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's IAA walk around. Let me know out of the vehicles that you saw if you see anything that was interesting, something that was different. I mean, that Jaguar was dope. I'm not gonna lie. That Jaguar was dope. The gray Charger blowing the horn at us, that was kind of funny. Mercedes, that though, I kind of like that. Let me know which one you like the most in the comment section down below. Also, guys, remember, today's video is being brought to you by tksgarage.com. We got all brand new merch over there. Go check it out. It is finally at a point where if you want to order something, we have nice stuff, embroidered stuff, all that cool stuff. And our FAFO shirts are coming out. Somebody put it in the comments what FAFO stands for. And the FAFO shorts are shorts. Maybe we may make some shorts. Shirts and hats and stuff are coming, so stay tuned for those. But anyways, guys, with that said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And again, major shout out to IAA for allowing me to come out here and do what I do. I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.